everybody, Ann Milano here with House America Group, and what are we doing today? It's day 3 of the renovation, and we're at Floor and Decor. We're going to go in and check out all of our product that we need to buy, and we're going to have a good time. All right. Before we get started is, could you do me a huge favor and right down below it says subscribe to my channel and hit the bell, because this is going to be a really fun series that you're going to be able to get to see. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. All right, I'll see you in a minute. So here we are, day 3, Floor and Decor. Just picking everything out. So, and I am here with Miss Rosemary. And she is my fabulous helper.
It was a great pleasure helping her.
Along with, of course, you know who? Omar, our guy. Where are you, Omar? Oh, there you are. Can you wave? And so we are putting together the tile that we've decided to use, and the grout, and the edges for the showers, and picking out the floors, and doing all of that thing. So I will see you in a bit. Show you something, because she just told us about, and so did Omar, about this unbelievable new trick that when you are doing floor tiles and wall tiles, so that this way when you're walking on them, there's no you can't, everything is totally level, so you don't feel anything underneath your feet, which is amazing. Hold on one second, I'm going to show you here. And Omar is holding up the bag, and what this is, what are they?
Self-leveling.
They're self-leveling clips. Oh, self-leveling clips. Where are you from?
Here.
Yeah, there we go. Her accent got me. Okay, so those are self-leveling spacers. Okay, Omar, he's going to have a very level floor, and all due to Rosemary and Omar. Thank you. Product that we need for the floors and the showers and the bathrooms, and I also picked out the backsplash for the kitchen. So we did all of that today over here at Floor and Decor. All right, keep watching.